set by Spin Master. La 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 la. Oh, hi guys. Did you see the first part of the video? Let me know, comment down below. I found this nail polish and it's so cute. I want to make my nails by myself. But look at these nails. They are so not good. They are thumbs down. We need to make thumbs up nails, right guys? I need some nail polish remover. I'll get some nail polish at somewhere in some place. Where should I get them at? Aha, maybe it'll disappear when I do this. I wish nail polish will come. Nail polish remover, so my nails will be clean. Let's switch one more time. Aha! What about I can go, maybe I can use my doll so she can give me nail polish remover. Can you get me nail polish remover? Okay. Let me get the nail polish remover. And then when I clean off them, I can make some new nails. Does that sound good, guys? Yeah, it does. This can't come off. Well, it's making pink. Yeah, it's coming off. Guys, did you know I'm going to have a guest coming to my house? I know who she is, but you guys guess. She's on one of my videos, guys. That one's good. Let's open this. It's so cool. Look what's on the back. Maybe there must be a lots of stuff inside. Huh? There's just a bag. Maybe there's more surprises in the bag, guys. Look, this is for your nails. And it's sparkly. It's faded to blue to pink to purple. Bye. Very great today. The instructions are in here. This is the same thing as Nina's doll. These are so cute. Let's open it. Whoa. I hope I won't get a paper cut again. This one is the flamingo. Nina, thank you for helping. Look! I see the page tail bump. Boom, bum, boom. What's on the instructions? Where are they? Here. Oh, it says YouTube. It's on YouTube too. I want a potato. Happy. Well, these are big instructions. Happy. These must be the. Pencil rolled in it. We have pencils, so So these must be the fun, I think. Okay, no finger in it. Yes. Again, I think I know how to do this. So we put this. I want the flamingos. I'm putting it right here. Already in there. Second, the snail polish opened. Then we press this part, I think. For the pit to come out. So I want my nails to be blue. Nina paint her nails.
Oh.
Wow. She's only 2 because she can't paint that right. But my nails are good. It's hot.
It's hot.
How's nail polish hot? Now I'm gonna ride them by the heater. Guys, now let's do my nails. Kind of worked. Let me try that again. Done. Look. After 5 minutes of waiting, your nails will be all dried, and then you can do this to your nails. Suck it. Look, unicorns. Unicorns everywhere because I love unicorns. Oh no. That's, if you do a unicorn, it'll look like that. The pink, the thumb finger's not done yet. No. It's Nina's turn. Cakes. And Nina's trying it, but her fingers are not in the right hole.
3, 2, 1. She said 3, 2, 1.
But my turn. 3, 2, 1. 3. Wait. This one got 3 cupcakes. Look at this tape. So this is the flamingo cake. This is the flamingo tape. Mommy.
What?
This is the flamingo tape.
Okay.
This is the flamingo tape. This is the kitty cat tape. And this is the unicorn tape. And this is the heart tape.
So how many stamp you got?
We actually don't got 5.
How many?
We got 5. Got it. Wait.
You have to really press it really hard.
Yeah, I had to. But Nina's like tickling with it. But they're so cute.
You silly, putting it the wrong way. Put your fingers in the hole right there.
Maybe my other video will be all about Barbies.
It's there. 1. Very good. Now push it out, Avishai. Let me see. Oh, look! Right there.
It went on that. It went on her finger. Ah! But if you put your whole finger in it, it'll look like this.
Okay, let me see.
It won't look good. It'll just be cupcakes and unicorns. But that is still cute. This is the box in case you want to see it again. Here's the back.
Does it work?
Yeah, it actually does work.
You like it? You like your nails right now?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear it to school. But I don't have school tomorrow. So my next one's gonna be all about Barbies. I have this Chelsea. It's from my friend, my BFF Sophie. Here, I'll just show you. This is Chelsea. It's gonna be all about sand and stuff, and I'm gonna bring my Barbie.
Okay, finish your nail.
Now let's finish my nail, guys. Wait. We're making a video when it's nighttime. Right, Mommy? Wait. Try this one again. Maybe what about Rachel can do this? Oh my god. Guys, I'm sorry I told you to guess it. Do you remember what I said? Did you? Wait, now they're all done.
Show it. This. Like this.
Even I'm in my room doing this video. I have books up there and stuff. If you want me, bye guys. Good night and have a great day. And bye guys. Guys, remember what color was nail polish that I had? Comment down below and subscribe. And hit that bell up there. And hit this thumbs up. Bye guys.